Alright, so I don't know what happened on the last video. I'm going to try and link these together somehow. But this is the other end. Weld another strap in there. This side. Did some more welding there. Did some more on the outsides. A little bit right through there and some more underneath. And I think she's back in business, so. I jump in the truck here and I'll take you back and show you where we're actually working. Father-in-law is putting up a, well, he already did put it up, but putting up a big wooden deer blind back here, and he's doing some painting. I'll jump in the truck here and take you back. I wish I knew how to turn this darn camera around. Maybe you got good at doing videos and stuff. Comment and tell me what to do, because you know, doing these videos is a real pain in the butt. You know, trying to edit them and you know, make them cool. There's the upper end of the farm. Little shed there, and yeah, just take you back through here. It's rougher than damn cob through here. Maybe that way's better for you. But these fields here has been so behind. Need to get them mowed and baled. But such is life. A day late and a dollar short. Do a lot of hunting out here, and just a nice piece of property. A lot of it, I mean, this really isn't farm. My father-in-law does all this basically for the deer, and then we take the hay off the front here for cows and stuff. There's a big lip. Hopefully this video turns out, because I don't know how it's going to turn out on the phone. I mean, I guess we got to go back to GoPro. But the GoPros and stuff to upload all that, it's a real pain. Plus, my 2-year-old freaks out. You can't watch your shows. But see, we got this all plowed up here. This field here is all plowed. Here's some more of the lake, pond, swamp, mud hole. We run the disc over this, and then the cultipacker we just got fixed up. See here, the salt block there. See, there's his truck. So, pretty much gonna cut it short on this video here. Get a chance, so I'll do another quick video and show you the deer blind here. And other than that, thanks for the little video. Hope you